So as we have discussed, this lucky shop is very lucky, fun and exciting. Let's read it further. Till now we have seen that a boy and an old man has got so much lucky that they have got cash plus a few objects also. I wanted to try my luck too. So now the boy who is telling the story of a game of chance is wanting to try his luck. He also wants to play the game. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. Now, when he looked at Bhaiya, his Bhaiya allowed him to try his luck or play the game. I paid 50 paise and took 6 discs. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. His luck was not that much good. He got only 2 pencils that were worth 25 paise only. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of little value. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paise. Now he got a bottle of ink that was also worth 25 paise. The shopkeeper bought that back for 25 paise. I had hopes of winning a big prize. We all hope for winning big prizes as we love winning, and continued to try my luck again and again. Oh, the boy was trying again and again in the hope that he will win a big prize, paying 50 paise each time, and each time he has to pay 50 paise. But every time I got a trifle, at last I was left with only 25 paise. Again the shopkeeper showed his kindness. Oh, he tried so many times that he was left with only 25 paise in his hands. Now the shopkeeper allowed him to play again for 25 paise only. He said I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. I played again, and the last 25 paise also disappeared. Oh, even now he did not get any big prize. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Now the boy has become very sad that he has not won any good or big prize. Other people, they were just looking and laughing at him. So they went back to the place their uncle had left them and waited for his return. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. So when now uncle came, he asked, Rashid, why are you so much upset? What is the matter? I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. He took me to a shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits and sweets and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. So uncle did not say anything. He just smiled and bought him so many things: umbrella, biscuits, sweets and other little gifts. Then they returned back to their home. Back home, uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made a fool of me. No, uncle, I said. So uncle is saying that the lucky shop man, the shopkeeper, has made him a fool. How? Now the boy is saying that it was my bad luck, uncle. But uncle said No, it was neither good nor bad luck. But uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting two or three costly things. Now Rashid tells him that he has seen an old man and a boy getting big prizes. It was my bad luck only. But uncle said, you don't know, child. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. Oh, it means that the boy who won so many things and the old man, they both were friends of the shopkeeper. They were fooling others with showing that they have got so much money and objects. Now forget about it. And don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. So uncle tried to calm him down that there is nothing like good or bad and just forget about it. It was just an experience, a lesson for you.